Hello friends, welcome back to the PCS Network. Friends, when we play a video on YouTube, some keywords appear in blue color below the video and above the title. These are called hashtags. In this video, we will get complete information about hashtag. For example, what is a hashtag, how does it work, and how can you add hashtags to your videos? We will discuss all these points in detail, so let's start the video. Point number 1. What is a hashtag? And how does it work? In YouTube? A hashtag is a special keyword. In YouTube it is used to search for videos of specific hashtags. Viewers find your videos easily when they search for a specific hashtag. Clicking the hashtag below a video playing in YouTube also works like a search link. As soon as you click on the hashtag, all the videos related to that hashtag appear in YouTube search result. For example, when you search by typing the hashtag PCS Network in YouTube, all the videos in our channel are visible, because all our videos have this hashtag. Point number 2. What to write in a hashtag. First of all, you have to type hash symbol. After that you can type the name of your channel. Or you can also write the topic of that video as a hashtag. Remember that you cannot leave a blank space between tag words. You cannot use two words in a hashtag. Point number 3. How and where to add a hashtag to your videos. While uploading a video to YouTube, you can add a hashtag to the title or description of your videos. If you want, you can also put hashtag in already uploaded videos. I would recommend you to put a hashtag in description, because wherever the hashtag is placed, it stays above the video title. Point number 4. Hashtag use policies and community guidelines. Make sure to follow these policies when using hashtags. No spaces. Hashtags don't contain any spaces. If you want to have two words in a hashtag, you can join them together. Over-tagging. Don't add too many tags in a single video. If a video has more than 15 hashtags, YouTube will ignore all hashtags on that video. Misleading content. Don't add hashtags that are not directly related to the video. Harassment. Don't add a hashtag with the purpose of harassing, humiliating, intimidating, exposing, or threatening an individual or group. Hate speech. Don't add any hashtags that promote violence or hatred against individuals or groups. Violating all these policies will result in the removal of your video. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. To get more YouTube tips and tricks, subscribe to the PCS Network.